Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Nico Home 7, the new launch by Bhartiya City, which is located in Sadanahalli, Bangalore. And today we'll be doing the teaser in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So I'm standing on the land parcel of Bhartiya City, Nico Home 7, and now just behind me is the marketing office. So this is the marketing office. We'll be getting all the information and details of the project. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because now Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. So this project will be constructed on total 29 acres of land parcel with 10 towers with 2 basement ground plus 22 floors having 1 BHK, 1.5 BHK, 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 3 BHK loft premium luxury residencies. Now coming to the location part, and this project is located on Navratna Agrahara Road, just opposite to Prestige Tech Cloud in Sadanahalli, Bangalore. And let me show you the Navratna Agrahara Road. So this road which is visible over here is the Navratna Agrahara Road. And you can connect to Bangalore International Airport in just 5 minutes of drive from the project. Now about the amenities part, and this project is coming up with world-class amenities like of multi-purpose court, swimming pool, garden area, clubhouse, tennis court, kids play area and many more. Now coming to the super built-up area. So as mentioned, this project is coming up with studio room, 1 BHK, 1.5 BHK, 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 3 BHK loft premium residencies where studio room is starting from 480 square feet to 540 square feet. 1 BHK starting from 750 to 800 square feet super built up area. 1.5 BHK is 950 to 1900 square feet. 2 BHK from 1100 to 1200 square feet. 2.5 BHK is 1350 to 1400 square feet. 3 BHK from 1600 to 1800 square feet. 3.5 BHK is 2100 square feet. 3 BHK loft is 2150 square feet to 2200 square feet super built up area. Yes, you'll be getting 4 BHK in this project, which is starting from 2500 square feet to 2600 square feet super built up area. And now about the booking process. So the project is in pre-launch stage and our EOI window is open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the sample flight as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI. So everyone, this was a teaser of Bhartiya City new launch project, that is Nico Home 7, located in Sadanahalli, Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.